What if I told you there's a device in your car that deploys faster than you can blink? Meet the airbag. Tiny, hidden, and powerful. Yeah. Imagine you're in a high-speed crash. In a fraction of a second, something bursts out in front of you, softening the impact, keeping your face away from the steering wheel. And that's the magic of the airbag. But how does it work? What is it made of? And what kind of technology allows it to react so quickly? That, in this video, Get That Process is taking you behind the scenes to reveal how airbags are manufactured. From synthetic threads to life-saving tech that activates in milliseconds. Thousands of traffic accidents happen every single day. Since the invention of airbags, the rate of fatalities and serious injuries has dropped by nearly a quarter. Dave, when a collision happens, airbags inflate from the steering wheel or dashboard in just 40 milliseconds, acting as a cushion between you and disaster. The original idea came from John W. Hetrick in 1952, but it wasn't until the 1990s that airbags became a standard feature in cars. Why the long wait? The production process is incredibly sophisticated. It all begins with nylon thread. The thread is made by converting chemical mixtures into a dense liquid polymer. This polymer is spun into long fibers, stretched, twisted, and rolled into strong industrial thread. Using computer-guided weaving machines, the threads are then turned into tightly woven fabric. No holes, no loose ends, just a solid sheet that can hold high-pressure gas. Surprisingly, even with modern machines, only around 8 meters of this fabric can be produced each hour. That's how precise it has to be. Every inch of the fabric goes through an intense quality inspection. Automated rollers and sensors scan for any flaw. If the fabric passes the test, it's sent to an industrial washer to eliminate any dust, debris, or particles that might compromise performance. Etc. Next, a layer of liquid silicone is applied to the fabric. This step is critical. It strengthens the fabric and helps it resist extreme heat and pressure. Then it's baked in a special oven at about 190 degrees Celsius. This process, known as curing, bonds the silicone and nylon together for maximum durability. Once cured, the fabric is cut into shape using laser technology. The guiding lines on the fabric help ensure every cut is exactly where it needs to be. After cutting, the pieces are stitched with industrial sewing machines, reinforced with tabs and cords to make sure they perform perfectly during deployment. Finally, airbags are subjected to simulated crash tests to confirm that they deploy on time and function as designed. Inspectors also measure inflation speed, stitch strength, and overall form with high-precision tools, including lasers, to guarantee reliability. Why so meticulous? Because even a tiny flaw could mean failure in a real crash, and that's simply not an option. Say. Outro. Thanks. From raw materials to a life-saving device, the making of an airbag is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering excellence. So, next time you buckle up, remember, there's a high-tech system hidden in plain sight, built to protect you when it matters most. Thanks for watching. If you're into the science behind safety, innovation, and industrial processes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get that process. We bring you the stories behind the machines that move the world. See you in the next video. Stay safe and stay curious.